In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom cake in Sam's Club 2026 step by step. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Sam's Club website. Once you're on the home page, give the page a moment to load fully so the top navigation appears. Hover over or click the main menu, then choose Departments. From there, select Grocery. This narrows the results to food-related items and is the quickest path to the bakery options you need. Inside Grocery, look for custom cakes and cupcakes and open that category. You'll see different ways to order, but for full control over the design, choose the fully custom option. Next, pick the shape that fits your celebration, round, sheet, or another available style. Consider your guest count here. The shape you select often determines serving size. When you've decided, click Customize to begin tailoring the cake. Your first personalization is flavor. Choose the cake flavor you prefer, keeping in mind any guest allergies or flavor pairings you want. After selecting, click. Next to continue. Now select a decoration style. You'll see theme designs or classic patterns. Pick what best matches your occasion. Then choose your color combination for the decorations. Select colors that complement your event's palette and that will show up nicely in photos. Click. Next to lock that in. Move on to icing. Choose the icing type offered for your cake, then select the icing color. If you're mixing multiple colors, think about contrast between the base icing and decorations so details stand out. When you're satisfied, click Next. You'll reach the message section. If you don't want text on the cake, you can select none and move forward. If you'd like a message, click to add one and type your text carefully. Keep an eye on any character limits, use correct spelling, and consider line breaks if prompted. Next, choose the message icing color. Pick a color that contrasts with the cake's surface so the words are easy to read. Finally, click Review. This is your quality check before you proceed. Read through every choice: shape, flavor, decoration, colors, icing, and message. Make sure names, dates, and spellings are correct, and that the color selections match your vision. Availability and design options can vary by club and date, so if something looks off, go back and adjust it now. When everything looks perfect on the review screen, you're set. That's the full customization flow from start to finish on the Sam's Club site, and you're ready to move on with your order using the usual checkout steps.